Hi there, students. To throw the book at somebody. Okay, the basic meaning of this is to apply all criminal charges possible to somebody who has broken the law. So the police threw the book at him. They charged him with everything that they could think of. They weren't at all lenient. Here, the book that they're throwing at him, at the criminal, is the law book, the book of law, the book where all the laws are written. But very often we use this a little bit more metaphorically, meaning to punish somebody as severely as possible, or to reprimand, to tell them off as strongly as you possibly can, to complain about as many things as you can. So if I am late with this essay for my homework, my teacher is going to throw the book at me because I've been late with so many essays before. He's going to either punish me or tell me off, be angry with me, and include in the things he's angry about anything that he can think of that might be applicable. Okay, so to throw the book at, to punish somebody as severely as possible. He was very rude to the boss at work, and he wasn't a very good worker. So they threw the book at him. Okay, they applied as many sanctions, as many punishments as possible, including probably sacking him. If I scratch my dad's car, he's going to throw the book at me. He's going to get really angry with me and be angry with me about everything that he can possibly imagine. Okay, so to throw the book at, either this is in a legal sense. When there's a court case, the prosecution's lawyer tries to throw the book at the defendant. Yeah, maybe if they're claiming money, they throw the book at the person who may have to pay because they want as much as possible. Okay, so to throw the book at, to prosecute to the fullest extent of the law. Now notice this is an informal phrase. This is something you would use in an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it in a formal document. I think the phrase to prosecute to the full extent of the law, to punish as severely as possible, would be much better for a formal setting. Okay, so to throw the book at somebody, to punish them as severely as you can, or to reprimand them as severely as possible, including every fault that you can imagine. Okay? So, to throw the book at somebody. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To throw the book at.